So one of the little aids we use for night fishing is actually lights on our planer boards. This is just a standard offshore planer board here. But what I want to do is add these little lights, so at night obviously I'll be able to see them out there. Now the light is on all the time, so basically you want to try and get at least 2 boards out there so you can see one fall back when you get a fish on. But come in a pack of, you know, 1 for each side. So what I'm going to do is just take this top off here, and then this is a little bulb there, so we're going to just take this out. But then basically the little battery here, right here, just goes in there. And we're going to add our light on. And as you turn it on, you can see it come on there. And then you just put this little cap right on. You see it starts to glow green right away. Makes it a little bit waterproof. But basically it's real simple with an offshore thing. It's got a slot in it. It's got the little square in the slot there. And you just simply put it on. Now, sometimes not so simple because they're meant to go on pretty hard, but you don't want them coming off. Boards, we're going to be probably running 2 or 3 out each side. You get the little lights out there, watch for it to slide back, and you got a walleye.